Yeah, hi, ma'am. This is David Stark. I'm the branch manager here from the scheduling department. How are you doing today?
Fine.
All right. You were talking to one of my sales rep, Chris Bryan, about the home security alarm promotion, ma'am. Did he explain everything?
Yes, and my question was,
Yeah.
currently we have our devices. I think it's
Mm-hmm.
by a company named Simon, but we pay home security. Let's see, what is it called? Security Network, and I want to know if you all are the same people.
Mm-hmm.
Are
Okay.
you all the same people? Same company?
So basically, the system you have right now, that is manufactured by GE, right?
Oh, I don't know. Let me go look at it. I just want to make sure because the last time I had a repairman out here, he said we needed to upgrade, but nobody has called or anything to give us an upgrade. It's up
Mm-hmm.
to you all, and I'm just wanting to see if you all are the same people, same
Mm-hmm.
company. Now, I understand you're
Basically,
a
our
promotional company.
mm-hmm.
I understand you're a promotional company, but I want to know that I'm dealing with the same company.
No, we are the and we are just running a special promotion to provide you free upgrade.
What does mean?
Is the name of our company, ma'am.
So you're not Security Network.
No, we're not security network. Basically, the system you have right now, that is manufactured by the same company which we use. That is GE General Electric. So that's the reason we can provide you a same but better monitoring services than that you have right now. And the
All right,
system
well,
you
I'm
will
looking at this. This is not a GE system. It is a Simon system.
yes, Simon is made by GE, Simon XT. We are using the same. That's not an issue. The system you will get from us, it will be actually a Simon XTI. So that will be a wireless and a touchscreen system, ma'am.
Okay.
Okay?
So what
Yeah.
is the name of your company? So what would happen to the company that I'm paying right now?
Your system will be connected to our monitoring station then, and your house will be monitored by our monitoring station.
And
That's
so what
all.
do I have to do? Cancel my contract or my service with them?
Are you under a contract right now?
No, but I've had them for many years.
If you're not under a contract, that's not an issue. The installer who's going to come at your place, he'll be able to help you in that. There is not an issue in that.
Well, I just want to make sure because, you know,
Mm-hmm.
what kind of thing did you say it was? Did you say Simon what? What is it?
Simon XT.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, you will get that, and that will be a totally wireless system.
It
Okay?
doesn't plug in or anything?
No, basically it will be having batteries as well in it, and so that way if you get any power failure at your place, so still it's gonna run. There won't be any issues.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. And he said the contract is 3 years.
Yeah, 3 years will be the contract.
And where do you
36
all
months.
monitor from?
And
Where do you
you're
all
paying,
monitor from?
we have 6 different monitoring stations in whole America, ma'am. Yeah, we don't have only one monitoring station. And right now you're paying $32 a month, ma'am?
Yeah.
Okay, so we will provide you discount on that, and then you'll pay $28.99 a month.
And there's
Okay?
no other charges, no other fees?
No other charges, no other fees, ma'am. My person is gonna come at your place. He's gonna show you our paperwork. He's gonna show you our equipment, and after that, getting your permission. If you like our deal, if you like our paperwork, then you can just ask my installer to install the system. He will install the system, and after installing the system, you can pay the first month fee to us. That is $28.99. That's all. We won't ask you
$28.99.
yeah. We won't ask you to pay for the installation. We won't ask you to pay for the activation, and we are not going to ask you to pay anything for the new equipment. That will be absolutely free of cost for you.
And then how are you paid monthly? Do I you send me a bill or something?
You can, we charge electronically every month, automatic. It will be auto pay. So you can choose your checking account, or if you can choose your cards, but not right now you will provide the mode of payment after getting the system installed to my installer. After verifying each and everything, you can do that. So you don't need to go out to pay the bills and like that. There will be an auto pay.
Okay.
All right. So when we can send our installer on Saturday, ma'am, between 8 to 9 in the morning, 8 to 11 in the morning, 11 to 2, or 2 to 5. Which time will be fine for you?
2 to 5.
2 to 5 on Saturday. Okay. And do you have a cell number, ma'am? Yeah.
502. Right.
And the address on which I'm going to send my installer, ma'am, that will be 4416. And the number we are talking right now is 502.
Yes.
Now, in order to book an appointment for you, ma'am, I just need to run a simple utility check as well to make sure that the deed of the home is under your name. And for that, I just need to have your date of birth, ma'am. That's all.
Well, I told him I wasn't going to give that. I don't understand because all of it's not in my name. It's in both of our names. So
that's not an issue, ma'am. We just need to make sure that is under your name. That's all. The deed of the home and the bills of the home are under your name. That's all.
But I'm just a co-owner.
Yeah, so we can see when we are going to run the utility check with your date of birth, we'll be able to see the both names. That's not an issue. Okay?
So is this like a credit check?
No, it's just a utility check. I told you to see that the deed of the home is under your name. That's all.
Okay, so I don't understand why you don't believe me.
It's not about the belief, ma'am. I believe you. I personally believe you, but it's the policy of the company. We make sure that you're the homeowner before sending the installer. We need to write it down in the papers, ma'am. We need to make the paperwork. That's the reason we do that.
I know, but I'm afraid that you could get other personal information by doing that.
Ma'am, as I told you, we are our company name is. We are working since 1994. We're not working only in Kentucky or in Florida. We are working in whole America. And the lines we are using right now, they are recorded lines, saved lines. Whatever information you will give us over the phone will be encrypted. Like after putting that information in the form, application form, even I won't be able to look at. Okay? So that's the reason we just take this information. I'm not asking you to give your card number, your bank information or anything. This is just the date of birth to check the deed of the home. That's all.
All right, it's 421.
Okay, great. So I'll send my installer on Saturday between 2 and 5, and on Friday I'll give you a reminder call back as well, okay?
So wait a minute, did you run the utility check already that fast?
No, I didn't run that right now. I will do that when I'm gonna, send your information to my installation department to, dispatch an installer to your location, okay?
So you're not going to use it right away?
No, we're not going to use it right away. I have just took your information and I'm going to fill up your application form and I'm going to forward that application form to my installation department. So that way they'll be, dispatch the installer on Saturday with all the equipment I told you over the phone and all the paperwork. They will get ready the paperwork and they will get ready the equipment which Chris Bryan told you that you're going to get that. He told you, how many doors you have, by the way? Manager doors? 3?
Yeah.
Okay, so you will get 3 door contacts, you will get motion detector, you will get key fob, and you will get Simon X panel.
How many key fobs?
1 key fob, ma'am.
But we have 2 adults living here.
2 adults, okay. Let me see. You don't have any key fob right now with that system, ma'am?
No.
Okay, so no problem. I'll be able to provide you another key fob, okay? You'll get 2 key fobs.
I mean, we would need 2.
You need 2, right? So I'll give you
Right.
2 key fobs.
Is that an extra charge?
No extra charge. I told you there is no charges for the, extra equipment.
Okay.
All right? Then
All right.
thanks a lot for your time and patience, ma'am. I'll give you a reminder call back on Friday to let you know that our installer is going to come on Saturday, okay?
All right.
All right. Thanks a lot, man. Have a good day. Bye-bye.
Bye.